So how can you use ChatGPT for Pinterest marketing? I'm going to give you all of these prompts down below. You can get them in my free AI library. And also this video is going to be in there. But first, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Petra, and I want to welcome you to Big Income Paradise, where we make digital marketing simple with AI, fun, and oh so profitable. So today I'm not having a video here of myself because I just washed my hair and I have a towel on my head. So you probably don't want to see that. Anyway, I wanted to show you what you can use, how you can use ChatGPT to get, stuff like Pinterest bio, how to come up with new title ideas and descriptions, and so on. So first of all, I have to say ChatGPT, even though I'm paying for it, this past week, it has been acting up and it doesn't listen to all of the instructions. So you will see. First, I told it to act as a Pinterest marketing expert, that we're going to create a Pinterest bio. I made up some stuff here. So, of course, I'm not talking about mindset, and I don't teach entrepreneurs about mindset and positivity. So, this is just made up stuff. You're obviously going to use your own information about your business, about your target audience, and always try to write a little bit more, because you see, like I just said, that my target audience are entrepreneurs and business owners who know they have to change their mindset to achieve their business goals. So that's not enough, right? You're going to have to really describe your target audience. I just wanted to quickly, fill this out. So I also told it which keywords it has to use. So you're going to go to Pinterest and type in the keywords that you think your audience is searching for. So if we just type in mindset, you're going to see keywords here, right? Always choose the top keywords, but let's say you're not talking about mindset quotes. What can you type in? Let's say mindset for, right? Mindset for success. So that could actually be your keyword. Find like 3 to 5 keywords and put them here. Okay. So then we said, okay, you should create a bio with 500 characters or less. It should start with, obviously, you're going to put in your name, not mine, right? So here we said also to include the keywords, which is very important. If you want your Pinterest account to be found, right, you need to use keywords. And I said, don't use hashtags and emojis. And look at this, right? It's, as I said, ChatGPT is not listening to all of the instructions. And I don't know what's going on with ChatGPT this past week. It has been horrible. I have been arguing with it so much. But okay, this is not so bad. Like you can just delete the brackets and delete the emoji, and that's it. Now it wrote this: your go-to guide for sculpting a business mindset. So we said business mindset is the keyword, right? Build for success. I empower entrepreneurs and business owners to cultivate a positive mindset. So again, that's a keyword that I entered, even through the toughest times. Discover how shifting your perspective can unlock your path to success. Let's nurture your mindset for success together. So again, the keyword. Now, of course, because ChatGPT might not know how you talk, you're going to have to switch it up. Maybe you don't use the word sculpting, you use another word. Just switch it up, so don't always just blindly go and copy, paste, and post from ChatGPT, especially not from ChatGPT if you're using it this week. But yeah, change it up so it has your tone of voice. Now, if you're going to get my free AI library, where you're going to get all of these prompts, there's also going to be a video and all the prompts that can teach AI tools, not just ChatGPT, but any AI tools to talk or to write like you. So your brand voice. However, again, ChatGPT, even though it knows how I speak, I trained it, basically I put it under customized ChatGPT. It's not writing like that, but that's just probably because there's something going on with it. So yeah, now we have a bio, you fix it up and you use it, right? Then we want to create titles for our pins, right? So here's the next prompt. And you're gonna obviously input your information. Okay, so again, your target audience and so on. And at the end, you're gonna put in the title of your, let's say, blog post. So let's pretend we created 7 powerful mindset hacks for success. That's our blog post. So we told ChatGPT to create 5 new titles, and it came up with this. Okay, not that bad, but not that good either. But again, it's ChatGPT. This week, it's like, I feel like it's like a stubborn kid who is like not listening to his parents, right? So that's it. We have to deal with that. What I would suggest, if you're having problems with ChatGPT, go to Claude.ai. So let me just go here. Why did I click that? Okay. So Claude AI, this is, it's a free tool. It has limitations. Obviously, you can't keep on using it for free. Like, it's gonna hit a limit, and then you're gonna have to wait for a couple of hours so that you're gonna be able to use it again. But Claude right now is the best. So it depends when you're watching this video, because AI tools keep evolving and changing and stuff. But right now, July 2024, this is my favorite tool because it writes really good. So yes, you can use all of these prompts also in there, okay? So let's say this, we chose this title. And by the way, if you're on Pinterest and you're using game changing, this word or these 2 words, for me, it does not work. Like, people are not clicking on my pins wherever I use this game changing, those 2 words. So test it out for yourself. But if you notice that your audience is not clicking on your pins, if they have these 2 words on it, it's probably because, they just don't like it, or, they're not attracted to it. So test and tweak. It's always about testing and tweaking. So let's say we chose this title. Now we have to create a description for that specific pin. So we created this, or actually I created this AI prompt. And you're gonna get it inside my free AI library. The link is down below. If I didn't say, I completely forgot. Did I say? Anyway, so it's gonna be around 500 characters. You're gonna put the title that you chose up in here. You're gonna put it in here. And then you're also gonna add your specific keywords. So again, you can search them on Pinterest, but what I also want to show you is this tool called Pin Inspector. And you can just put in keywords in here. And I wouldn't suggest going over 3 keywords. As you see, I used only 1 and 2. So 2 keywords here. The thing is, if you put in more keywords, it takes forever to find all of the keywords that you want to, find. So usually I choose before and after seed keyword. So that means these 2 are seed keywords. It's always going to find keywords that have something in front of the seed keyword. So let's say a positive mindset quotes. See, it found this one with the A in front of it. and also what's behind the seed keyword. So 7 positive mindset habits. See this one. What it's gonna first do, let me just show you. It's finding you a ton of keywords, right? But you see here rank. It says this one, for example. So Chinese business mindset ranks number 4. So you obviously want to use the keywords that rank number 1 or number 2. So I usually just click. So I click on this, what's it called? This icon, and then I click less than 2. So I only find, okay, now what's going on? It's only finding me this keyword now. Why? Oh, because I clicked on it. Okay. So it finds you only the keywords that rank number 1, right? So the most popular keywords. So if you want this tool, it's not free, but I'm gonna put the link down below. And yes, it is my affiliate link because I love this tool. It's one of the best. However, the downside is that it's slow, okay? But you're gonna save a lot of time because you have everything in here. Like you can check out for trends, for other people's pins, and you're gonna find, like how many saves they got and so on. Because if you go on Pinterest, for example, if I click this one, I don't know how many saves this pin got, right? So that's why I love this tool. You can get it down below if you want to. There's also the videos about this. So if you get this tool, the creator of this tool created videos, so you can watch them and learn how to use it. It's actually quite simple. So anyway, let's go back. You're going to put your keywords in here, and Pinterest, not Pinterest, ChatGPT is going to write your description for the pin. Now, here's the thing, what I've seen a lot of people on YouTube have, they told you just create, like descriptions for Pinterest, blah, blah, blah. And that's it. They don't tell you that actually you need to be careful and make the description really readable. So you have to see if other people can actually notice, or if Pinterest can actually notice that it was written with AI, because Pinterest doesn't like that. Okay, so rewrite it. Make sure that you don't rewrite your keywords, of course, but make sure that it's written in a way that you would write. So let's say ready to revamp your approach. Maybe you don't say revamp. And this is something that I think all AI tools use this word. So let's see, dive into, this is something that all the AI tools use all the time. Let's see, transforming, maybe not so much. Let's see, discover essential mindset habits that pave the way. See, you don't talk like that probably. So just fix it up so it sounds more like you, and that Pinterest is not going to be like, ooh, this is AI. AI created this description. So yeah, you know what? We're not going to show your Pinterest pin to too many people. So be careful, okay? But yeah, this is how you can create your bio, your title, and description for Pinterest. So you can, quickly create all of it so you don't spend 10,000 hours on Pinterest. So you can actually start using it more often. I would actually suggest using it every single day, pin at least 1 or 2 pins per day. Yes, and that means also over the weekends, but you can actually schedule them. So if you go under create pin, you can actually, upload your pin, and here you can just click this button. Right now I can't because I would have to upload an image. But yeah, you can actually set the date and hour to when you want this pin to be pinned, right? So no excuses. Now you have all of it to quickly create Pinterest pins. It's going to help you so much. to create really great descriptions. Obviously, or you can actually tell ChatGPT, hey, I want you to rewrite the description above and make it sound more natural, casual, friendly. Use simple and everyday English. Whoops. English. No, I can't. I cannot type and talk everyday English words, but make sure you use the keywords exactly how I wrote them. Because sometimes, if you tell it rewrite the above content, blah, 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 it's going to also rewrite the keywords. So let's see. Want to take your success to the next level. Did it use a keyword in here? No, it didn't. Okay, so let's see. Check out our 7 mindset tips for entrepreneurs. So there you have it. There's a keyword that really work. Learn the mindset habits that can transform your daily routine. See, this is way better. So I'm going to also put this example into beside all of the prompts in the free AI library. Again, the link is going to be down below. So you see, you can just talk with ChatGPT and other AI tools like a human being, like it's your VA, right? How would you describe to your VA what she or he has to change in this description? Just tell it, right? You need to do this, 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 and this. So then it creates a way better response. Or you can just fix it up yourself and that's it. Now, this is all for this video. Again, the link to the free AI library is below. The link, my affiliate link to this pin inspector tool is also down below. And yeah, that's it. So go ahead, use the AI prompts right now so you can start pinning every single day on Pinterest and get that traffic.